All right, here's a question where you're asked to simplify this. You have to be careful with this question because some people uh, are try and foil things, but this is just one term and one term. It's not like x minus 5 times x plus 2, where you would foil that whole thing or use the distributive property a bunch of times. This is one where you just have one term and one term. So when you're multiplying, you can multiply common things. So like the 2 times 5, okay, that's going to give us a 10. And then x to the 6 times x to the minus 1. When you're multiplying common bases, add their exponents. So it'd be x to the 6 plus a negative 1. I guess you could do that in your head. And then same thing with y. Y would be negative 7 plus, the exponent here would be a 1. And I guess I'll simplify that a little bit, but that's sort of where I'm at now. So I could then, 6 plus a negative 1 is positive 5, and negative 7 plus 1 is a negative 6, so this would be y to the negative 6. And there I'd be done. I guess there's one other thing you could do. Typically, we don't like to have negative exponents, and so we could change that to a positive exponent. Um, so it would be 10x to the fifth. To change this to a positive exponent, I take that whole thing and put it to the bottom of the fraction. So I put this over y to the positive 6. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that simplification.